Welcome to Logical Resonance. In this video, we will see F-string. It is used for formatting the output. F-string is the most powerful weapon in the Python. All the programs needs F-string to print the output on the screen. But there is a print statement. Then what is the difference between the F-string and the print statement? The print statement is able to print the output on the screen, but it is not efficient in formatting the output. So for this purpose, F-string is generally used. So let us see what is F-string. F and then string. String we write in single inverted comma, and we know in single inverted comma we write down alphabet, numbers, and symbols. In the print statement, we enclose the F string. Print into bracket F dash some text curly brace variable some text again curly brace and variable 2 string get completed and print statement will also get completed over here. So in this case we are able to combine the text with the variable. Let us define two variables. Variable 1 logical, it is a string. Variable 2 21, then F string is written as variable is written in the curly brace. Then what will be the output? First one is channel, which is in the string. After that in curly brace variable 1. But what is the value of variable 1? That is logical. Next is started in year. It is pure string, so it is written as. The next is variable 2, whose value is 21. So in this way here, the two variables logical and number 21 we have inserted in a string, and with the help of the print we are able to print. Let us go to the spider and we define two variables again, variable 1 and variable 2, and print statement F single inverted comma channel, it is our text, into curly brace means variable 1, next is our text again, is started in year, curly brace means variable 2. So whatever is written in curly brace, that will get evaluated. At the bottom you can see the output. So in this way curly brace will get evaluated. The next example, We have written some variables of different data types: float 1, boolean 1, list 1, tuple, and set 1. And then we print all these variables with the combination of string. The first statement is f in single inverted comma string, after that variable, and the same is continue for rest of the statements. So whatever is written in the curly brace, that will get evaluated. Now you can see the output line by line. str1, that is string, integer1, that is 99, boolean, that is true, float1, that is 99.12, 1 comma 2 comma 3, tuple 1 comma 2 comma 3, only the braces will change, and the last one is set 1. See how the set 1 get printed: 1, 2, 3, but there is no 1 because the set gives the unique output. Let us conclude today's session. In this session, we have seen the F string, a powerful weapon in the Python. The F string combines the text with the variable. The variable may be of any data type, it doesn't matter. In the next video, we will see how to format the variable as per our requirement. If you are new to the channel, subscribe it. Subscribe the channel, click the bell shaped trigger, press the bell icon. To view the previous videos, you can click the playlist. Thanks. We will meet again in the next video.